Hi, welcome to another SMC's how-to video. This time we'll be showing how to restore the ISE70 series settings back to their factory default values. Let's start. Here we can see that both pressure unit and display color have been modified and don't match with the factory default settings. So, to change all switch settings back to their original default values, first press and hold the set button for longer than 3 seconds until F0 is shown flashing. Then press the down button so that F99 is shown on the screen, which represents the function used for factory reset. Press the set button again. This time the word off starts to flash, meaning we can change the reset function. Press the up or down button so that it changes to on. Here, press and hold the set and down buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds or longer. Press and hold the set button again for a few seconds to go back to the original measurement mode. Now pressure is displayed in the default unit of megapascal and the display screen color is red. So, you've seen how to reset the ISE70 series. Take a look at our other SMC's how-to videos to see how easy it is to configure some of the most common switch functions.